this video, I'll tell you guys how to set up and check skin temperature on your Galaxy Watch. Also, I have two amazing watch faces for today's episode that are available for free. Okay, so first go to Samsung Health on your Galaxy Watch. By the way, this is only working for Galaxy Watch 5 and 6. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Now you will see Sleep. Just tap it and turn on Skin Temperature during sleep. When this option is turned on, the watch will detect your body temperature fluctuation during a nap. This is better and accurate than getting one-time reading from ThermoCheck app. Now if I go back to Samsung Health and tap on Sleep, you will see the skin temperature that has been recorded while I was taking a nap. You can also see more detailed information regarding it on your phone's Samsung Health Monitor app. So check it out and let me know if it works good for you or not. Now talking about watch faces, these are available on the Watch Face Quiz app. Within this app you have to tap on Sales section, and these are the faces available for free for a limited time. First one is Race Step Master. I'm liking it a lot. It has a sporty looking design with decent background information. Talking about customization, first you can change background color combination with this face. We have a lot of different colors here that you can try out. Then there are a few settings for background complications. Second one is Black Classic Digital Informer. This one is also looking nice with lots of background information. So check out these amazing free watch faces. They are available for free for a limited time. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.